Of the Fort Wayne Air Show took place today. Para Commandos, a flying circus, and a show by the KC Flight Formation team were just some of the acts on display. Headlining the event were the United States Air Force Thunderbirds, which you may have heard arriving earlier this week. We spoke with the president and CEO of KC Flight, Philip Lamb, about his experience in the fort.
So this is our first time in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I had no idea there was 200,000 people here. I'm impressed. What a cool town. We've done a lot of military shows, some of the best VIP treatment, and we don't think we're VIPs at all. But it's been a great show so far, and yesterday was just practice day, so we're getting started today.
The Fort Wayne Air Show continues tomorrow from 9 to 5. You can find more details on 21alivenews.com.